Okay, hello to the group. John Steer here from Holiday, Utah. I'm going to do an unboxing of a new fishing reel. It's a Abu Garcia Zenon, last year's model. So let's get this started. You might have to fast forward a bit if you want to get out of this weirdness of unwrapping. Purchased off of eBay for $225, which is a bit of a bargain. I've used this eBay seller before. I'll put a link in the description. This came out of China. When you're shopping on eBay, you got to put some trust in the seller, and that the seller is going to be representing a good product, and they want to do a good service, yada yada. Some can't get over that. Some don't like that, and so they don't shop on the eBay. This is a Zenon 2500S. Never had a Zenon before. I have two Revo Beasts. I have the 1000S Beast and the 2500S Beast. I think that's what it is, S. The thing with the Zenon is they give you some extra accoutrements. They give you this, as I set everything aside to the right, they give you this case, of which I will probably never use, but at least I got it. Here's the reel. I'll set that aside. Some foam, for whatever the reason. Keep stuff from chattering around, I imagine. Some paperwork in a bunch of different languages, yada yada yada. That's great. Some parts. Some more parts. And the handle. So what attracted me and what I wanted to do with this and why I wanted to purchase this is because they don't make this model anymore. And when it first came out, it was like 560 bucks or something, 550 bucks. So I thought I would jump on it. I thought I would figure out how to get it, save my money, and then get it. And the interesting thing about my purchases, I gotta try to get this thing off. I thought it would unscrew. Evidently not. I'm unscrewing it the wrong way. Always learning, right? Always learning. Okay, so I wanted to get this because they were going to disappear. And I hate it when I like things and products disappear. Once again, screwing it the wrong way. And here it is. Really lightweight. I'm a bit old school. I really like to judge a reel based upon how easy the bail closes. And it's interesting when you go to a store and they have all the reels on display, and you pick up a reel, an expensive reel, and you try to close it, and it's very difficult because obviously, you know, they want you to do it like this. Whatever. A lot of the more inexpensive reels have great bail closure mechanisms. I don't know what the disconnect is there. I don't know why that is. So this reel, the Abu series of reels, doesn't have a very loyal following. For some reason, everybody says Abu, makes their stuff by subcontractors in China, and whereas Shimano and Daiwa make their own stuff. I don't think it matters. I really don't. I really don't think it matters much. It is what it is. Got the bearing on there, just like on the Revo. Gotta make sure that's seated so the drag will make noise, and it isn't seated. So let's try that again. Don't want to get grease on the work surface. That's the only funny thing about these systems, is they're like doing eye surgery. So these systems right in here need to become seated inside the spool. There we go. See that? Very strange. So, okay, eye surgery is complete. Not going to do that again for a while. I'm surprised that they didn't include a second spool, because I thought the Zenon had a second spool included. As I look in the packaging, nothing. And then they give you this thing right here, which is for the reel seat. I guess that will protect your reel seat from becoming, I don't know, scratched or hurt somehow. Very lightweight. It's got a 5.2 to 1. I don't like fast moving reels, because I find myself reeling fast all the time anyway, and I want to limit that. So that's that story. It's got the very similar handle to the Revo Beast. It has 10 bearings plus 1, and it's the 2500. So it's obviously bigger than the 1000, and it allows a little more versatility. I could use it for the same things that the 1000 is used for, but I can use this for bigger stuff too, on the real bass fishing side. I guess what you're getting is really lightweight, and you're not getting the beefed up gears. And it says it has a salt shield, along with some kind of carbon fiber lettering and stuff, and air fin spool, yada yada. So this will be probably my last reel in a long time. I have three new spinning reels now, and I don't think I'm going to need to get anything else for a while. And I see that a lot of the newer reels, at least on the bait casting side, are going to electronic type stuff. This is like a catch right here, in case you want to clip your weights on your drop shot type stuff right here. I probably won't put that on. Pictures, graphics, some kind of Asian lettering. I don't know what that is. Yada yada. Like in my other review, I got a user's card. In case I go to Japan, I can take this with me and prove my status. Just joking, of course. I'll have to take a picture of this with my phone so that I can read it. Back in the day, they used to give you a nice little booklet. Now they just give you photocopies of things. All right. Okay. So if you have a Zenon, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what I have to do maintenance-wise, your thoughts. And I'm pretty excited because this is the best of the best on the Abu side. I like the handle. I like how it's a carbon fiber handle. I like how it's not all kind of curved and swoopy like they're doing on the Daiwas and the Shimanos. It's really lightweight. It's got a lot of bearings. I always look for a reel with a lot of bearings, and I have no idea if that makes any difference. But yeah, and it's a 5.2 to 1. So, and it seems to be really, really smooth. And it's the 2500 with a good drag. Never had any problems on the beasts. And it's a good color. It's not a funky, weird green or red or brown or blah, blah, blah. It's nice. Okay, I hope this helps. I'll be fishing it, and I should have no problems. And I've also heard that the Zenon is really good at eliminating wind knots. Somehow, with their design and how they've done everything, the wind knots just don't exist when you're casting. Okay, that's the story. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Numbers are coming up. Hope to be monetized in 6 to 8 months, and we'll go from there. Cheers.